The most expensive property market in the country has been stuck in a rut for over a year. Buyers are wary and developers troubled. Mayura Mantri brings you views from property experts on what to expect on prices when it comes to Mumbai region.
Will residential property prices in the Mumbai region fall this year? That is the billion-dollar question. With sales declining, inventories piling up and liquidity tight, will developers be compelled to lower prices in the second half of 2012?
Yes, I believe they have to come down because that will be one of the ways of developers giving them the positive sign to the buyers to come back to market and purchase. By how much? It's a big question. It could come down by at least 15-20% because anything less than that may not have any impact on the market at all. Because when you go talk to a developer, 10%, 5 to 10% is a negotiation margin which any developer keeps in the prices. So unless it is more than 15%, the kind of 8-10% that you would typically see would not make any sense. So for that price cut to be really substantial and to be noticeable, we have to look at least 15 to 20% price cut, and we expect it to happen in the next quarter or two.
Home sales in the Mumbai region have fallen to a 3-year low, with an inventory pile-up of nearly 48 months, according to data by real estate research firm Liasis Foris.
What it shows that the prices are very unaffordable and the demand has, it is not converting into the sales. So there would be downside pressure on the prices. But having said that, there has been a downside pressure for almost last two and a half years, but the prices has not really come down, and which looks like it is more capital driven rather than the consumption driven, because a lot of private equity capitals and other capitals are available in the market.
Experts say even private equity funding is now getting tougher to come by, and the end user demand will play an important role for developers to realize better prices. Builders are refusing to blink though, saying prices will not fall, at least on paper.
Residential has very less ready supply. So under construction, a lot of projects were held up because of the permissions and all, and that will get cleared up. So supply will be there, but there is a demand across this MMR region. So demand which once unleashed, even if there is a bent up, but a lot of material lying with few people possibly, I don't see that correcting the price to lower level.
2012 may end up being yet another year of stalemate between buyers and sellers, even though data points to the odds being stacked in favor of the buyer. But hard negotiations with developers and softening interest rates could turn this year into a good one for home buyers. This is Mayura Mantri with camera person Deepak for NDTV.